Okay, so today I'm going to use my easel. I threw it in this corner today, and it's right by a beautiful window with beautiful scenery. But right now I just want it closed because it's getting late. It's a camera tripod converted into a watercolor easel. Right now I have the top part of it just flipped backwards because I want it out of my way. I'm not doing anything with it right now. So I'm just gonna pop that up, get it out of my way. I keep my little palette card for my paints. This is one of my favorite sets. But I keep my, there's this thing I bought from Home Depot, some kind of just black wiry thing. I don't know, just twists into any shape you want it to. And that's what I use it for. My brush holders, it's pretty easy to do. Just take an extra piece. And underneath, as you can see, it's just duct taped. Okay, so if you'll remember, I talked to you about this metal piece that comes with it when you buy it from Home Depot. Okay, so when I buy this coroplast from Home Depot, it's got this piece of metal with it. So I simply put that on the underside of it because it adds strength to it. And I use it on the back of the top part too. As you can see, that metal thing. It's got a line there, and it's rainbow taped on. Well, when you put it on the underside, if you make sure that it at least goes to the very edge of whatever hand you're dominant with, right-handed, left-handed, whatever side you would like your brush holder on, that's the side you want to make sure that it goes flush to. Because then you can do like I did and slide that under there between the metal thing and the tray tabletop, so that helps hold it. I just added some binder clips to it just for added peace of mind. That black on there that you see, that black strip, previously on the other one that I used, that I have at our other place, I had Velcro on the underside of this and Velcro on this, and then just let them meet together. I think I mentioned it in that video of how I do my tripod tray tables. Just figure out how long you want it. You don't even have to do this. But I think it comes in handy for me because it's less space that takes up on this actual tray table. This is very sturdy, by the way, because the half of it is hanging off, but it's very sturdy. And I have, oopsies, like I have binder clips assisting. Also, I've just not used this brush holder before, and I just use these 1 inch, ½ inch, or 1.5 inch binder clips going all the way down, and then I have my rubber bands, making sure they don't fall all the way through, because I'll put a rubber band right about here. It also helps with the brushes not rolling, because they tend to roll sometimes. That's the setup I'm using today. This chair that I'm using, I don't think I like it. I feel like a child in it because I'm sitting really low. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm just going to adjust my tripod so that it stands lower to the ground.